Hello. Alright, now that I'm back from Planner Jam and things have settled down a little bit, we're going to go ahead and do my weekly spread. This week I am going to use these two clips. This pretty coffee here is by the Felty Depot, and this one is by Clip It Crafts. I'm going to use this very pretty kit from 3 Tiny Bows, and I do PR for her. The code is TTBVANNESSA to save 20%. Also from 3 Tiny Bows, I have these birthday stickers because it is my oldest girl's birthday this week. And from Brianna Nicole Designz, I will use a YouTube sticker. And from the Cynical Planner, I'm all out of the uploads. I'm going to have to get more. I've got the rose gold film and edit. Normally there's upload, but as you can see, I've used quite a bit of these. So I'm going to have to get some more. So we'll go ahead and we'll start with the kit. And of course, Lynn has decided that she needs to get up here and get into stuff because she's a punk. So Planner Jam was so fun. Let me move Nosy here. Ugh. Up, down, Nosy butt. Ugh. I'm trying to work here. I can't do that if you're walking in the way. Cats, they're nosy. But it was, I've met a lot of old friends that I've met at other meetups. I've met a lot of new people. The 1407 team is amazing. I will have a video that's got all the swag and table gifts and what we did there. I'll be honest. I've been worn out. It was a very busy weekend, very tiring weekend. Working all week. Everything is still sitting on the counter in bags. So hopefully later this week I'll get around to filming that and posting it. I mean, it's Tuesday and I'm just now planning for the week. I'm just a bit behind. But, you know, it happens. Real life kind of gets in the way. I love planning. But some days I'm just too tired. It was like Sunday, I drove home, and it was still, for me, an hour-and-a-half drive, and that's still a pretty long drive. And then I had to grocery shop and do laundry, you know, all that not-so-fun stuff that seems to have to get done every single week. Those. And I'm just gonna, like I said, it's Tuesday. I'm gonna keep everything fairly simple. I can't believe that it's already almost July. This year has just flown by. Busy, busy year. Which means my birthday's coming right up too. Oh, I think we'll go with coffee on Monday because, yes, yesterday I felt like I needed way more coffee than I had. Oops, got a little crooked there. But Planner Jam was fantastic. The next thing I go to is I'm going to one of the PlannerCon parties in Cleveland in August. So, oops, won't be too long and I'll be getting stuff ready for that. Just fun to go and do. Alrighty, so we'll put our little number stickers in here. Oops, and my camera is just slightly farther back, I think. I'm going to have to remark it. It's just slightly back from where it usually is. Luna, stop. So, since she can't get my attention by curling on my lap, she's going to run her paws up and down a box so that I know she's there. And so does everybody else. Hopefully everything will settle back down. I've had a really busy last couple weeks. So. Alright, so I think I'm going to put my trackers down here this week. A little bit of the YouTube. And it's close enough. I'm going to kind of use this little washer sticker. It looks pretty close to Instagram. Enough that I'll know what it means. So I'll just put that in. And then I'll just take a little, just a black pen. And just kind of color this in a little bit. So it looks more like the Insta thing rather than a washer. And that works. So we know what we're tracking there. And we'll put this pretty girl right here. Alrighty. So Friday is my oldest girl's birthday. So I'll put that in. Put in the weekend sticker. And I'm just going to put the glasses right here. Alright, so I think that's all I need up there. Alright, so Monday I took a lazy day. So Tuesday is a film day. Then as usual, hopefully I'll get back to filming on Sunday. And then Wednesday and Thursday will be my edit days. So I'll put those on and I'll write the rest of the stuff in. But I do believe for now this is my spread for this week. So thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye.